Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Monday, the 2nd of February, Groundhog Day. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. No hiding that I'm sick. I'm going to make this short. Just a cold. Everybody gets them. But nevertheless, I'm just a little so called under the weather. Bad pun. All right. Any clouds out there this morning will give way to sunshine. Temperature up near 30. Not much wind tonight. Clear. We're down around 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe 12 in Boston. Tuesday, sunshine, temperature right around freezing. A few spots may get above freezing. Wednesday, mostly sunny, lower 30s again. Some places getting above freezing, especially Boston South. It'll stay below freezing north and west. It's just a long stretch. If we don't go above freezing, we're not going to for a while because we stay in the upper 20s at the end of the week and then teens this weekend, more cold weather. I do see a return to perhaps more normal conditions once we get beyond this weekend. There's some signs that we could start to get some actual temperatures in the 30s and maybe even near 40 in the second and perhaps third week of the month. More on that, obviously, in the coming days. Have a great morning, everybody.